Welcome everyone. Let's talk about AWS IAM, a superhero that manages permissions and secures AWS resources. Imagine it as a bouncer at a VIP club, letting only the right people in. With IAM, you define who gets access, what they can do, and how securely they operate. And yes, least privilege is like ensuring nobody gets unlimited access just because they asked nicely. I'm Amelia James, a technology expert with 13 plus years of experience designing and delivering human resource management systems that actually work for people. I specialize in building scalable integrated HR platforms that streamline processes, enhance employee experience, and give leadership real-time, actionable insights. Let's unravel the mystery of server certificates. Think of them as your digital passport. They prove you're legit online. These certificates use fancy cryptographic keys to keep your data safe, and they're handed out by authorities we trust. Without them, hackers could impersonate websites, and nobody wants that surprise in their inbox. So why does IAM matter? Well, imagine AWS as a fortress. You wouldn't want just anyone waltzing in, right? IAM keeps things locked down, ensuring only authorized users get in. It's like giving employees access cards. Some can enter certain rooms, but not all. Plus, IAM plays well with AWS security tools to keep everything smooth and safe. Let's talk about the GetServerCertificate API. Sounds complex, but it's just AWS saying, hey, here's the info on that certificate. This API helps admins ensure their SSL/TLS certificates are fresh and secure. It's basically AWS's way of saying, no expired certificates allowed at this party. Retrieving a server certificate is like checking your passport before traveling. You need to verify it's valid. With Oz, the GetServerCertificate API gives you all the juicy details about your certificates, from expiration dates to metadata. Regular checks prevent last-minute surprises. Trust me, you don't want a certificate expiring mid-operation. Where do server certificates live in AWS? Well, IAM is their safe house. It stores them securely and lets you attach them to services like load balancers or CloudFront. Plus, IAM makes sure certificates don't sit around outdated and dusty. It helps rotate and renew them like a responsible digital librarian. Command line fans, this one's for you. AWS CLI lets you grab server certificate details with a simple command. No GUI clicking needed. Just type Oz IAM GetServerCertificate and boom, all the details pop up. Feeling fancy? Automate this with scripts so you're always ahead of certificate expirations. Developers rejoice. AWS SDKs let you integrate certificate retrieval directly into your applications. Whether you're using Python, Java, or Node.js, you can fetch certificate details programmatically. It's like giving your app the ability to check ID before granting access. Security built right in. Alright, let's kick things off. IAM and AWS Certificate Manager both sound fancy, right? IAM makes sure the right people access resources, while AWS Certificate Manager takes care of SSL/TLS certificates, automating the whole process. Think of IAM as the bouncer at a club and Certificate Manager as the guy keeping the drinks fresh, both vital for smooth operations. Security, our favorite topic. Server certificates must be handled carefully. Proper issuance and renewal. Absolutely. Strong encryption. No compromise. Expiration dates. Keep an eye out or risk disaster. And of course, never let certificates fall into the wrong hands, like handing car keys to a toddler. Let's talk about expired certificates, because nothing ruins a good day like realizing your certificate is out of date. Set up alerts, renew proactively, and act fast when one expires. If you miss it, well, it's like forgetting your friend's birthday, awkward and avoidable. Troubleshooting time. First, check if the certificate is valid. Don't trust expired ones. Ensure proper installation because misconfiguration is a recipe for disaster. Zero trust settings. Verify them. And when all else fails, dive into those logs. It's like solving a mystery. Want smooth operations? Follow these best practices. Short-lived certificates mean better security. Automation saves time. Nobody likes manual work. Restrict access to avoid misuse, and audit regularly to keep things in check. Think of it like running a tight ship. GetServerCertificate sounds technical, but it's simple. You retrieve details, check expiration, verify integrity, and ensure compliance. Just like checking your passport before traveling, no one wants to be turned away at the airport. The future looks bright. Automation will take over manual tasks, zero trust models will tighten security, and certificates will integrate with new frameworks. Plus AI-driven monitoring. The future is basically becoming our personal security assistant. We covered a lot. IAM vs AWS Certificate Manager, security best practices, troubleshooting, and even the future of certificates. Now take these insights, put them into action, and keep security strong. Because hey, nobody wants certificate chaos. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us.